Here are the PEIDUO lights right here. Let's get this open, get this box open, and then we will get out the lights. We get an instruction manual. We don't need to worry about that right now. Let's just pull these lights straight out. You get 1 and 2 together. And since they both look identical to each other, let's just take a closer look at one of them for now. And so to turn the lights on these, you are going to need 3 AA batteries. And then you'll be able to turn it on totally, put it on a timer, or just turn them off. For now, we'll just turn them on while we arrange this tree. And as you can see, you do have to fold these branches up in order for it to actually look like a tree instead of something that's been blown over by a winter storm. So as you can see, I'm just going to pull out the larger branches like this, just to make it look pretty natural, and then get the smaller branches to spread out as well. Really easy to do here, functioning really well. And as you can see, it comes out looking really nice. And I like this one because it has that paper feel of birch trees. Really nice, realistic feeling and looking tree here. Let's set it up with some of our other Christmas decorations to see how it looks. So here you go. I've paired mine with my miniature Christmas trees here. And you can see I have that right below a stocking. So I think that looks really cool how that lights up, and it puts a nice little accent on the home for our holiday season.